Okay, another word question, number 16. The length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. The sum of the length and the width is 24. Okay, well guys, I am a picture person, so I'm going to draw this rectangle. The first sentence says the length is 3 times the width. So the width is W, well the length is going to be 3 times that. So isn't the length 3W? Now, I kind of just confused myself. Probably shouldn't have started like that. Let me back up for a second, because we're dealing with a system of equations and I want to have two variables. I don't have two variables here. Guys, if it says the length of the rectangle is, can't I say L equals 3 times the width? So L equals 3W? Which is what I just did, because this length right here is equal to 3W. So that's my first equation. Now if I keep reading, it says the sum of the length and width is 24. Well guys, the sum means I'm going to add the length plus the width, and I'm going to get 24. So I've got my two equations. Now I need to figure it out. I got to solve it. Do you want to do graphing? Well, I don't have x's and y's, so I don't really want to do graphing. Substitution or elimination? Guys, I noticed that this y, that's not even a y. Don't ask me why I just called that thing a y. I'm noticing that this L is all by itself. So isn't this set up to do substitution? If I write the first equation on the left and the other equation on the right, that's how I do substitution. Now, my goal is to solve it for a variable. Well, guys, isn't the L already alone? So L is equal to 3W. So I'm going to bring that over, and here where it says L, I'm going to dump in the 3W. So now I have 3W plus W equals 24. Simplify 3W plus 1W. That makes 4W equals 24. Solve it. That gets me the width is going to be 6. Now, guys, I might be able to stop right here. If they asked up above what's the width, I don't have to do anything else. Let's look. Okay, up here it says what's the length, so I do have to keep going. I'm going to have to bring my width over to the other problem. The length is going to be 3 times W. Well, guys, W was 6. So the length is 3 times W. The length is 18. Look at your choices. Letter D is the answer.